There's help in the back of the book.
I know. She probably wants to see how the wording is weird though. You guys know the answers are in the back for the checkpoints, but that might not help you to decipher the
Wait, there are answers
for the checkpoint.
I've never actually gone back there.
Look, it says right here, check your answers by referring to the checkpoint 8B materials located in the back of your book. So there's but it doesn't show you. Well, there is help also. So there's all that. But I still like doing this one because these are kind of important, and these remind me of when we learned about systems of equations and they were filling the pool, and then the other people were draining the pool, and you have to do a let statement. So in this one it says the Lees have 3 children. The oldest is twice as old as the youngest. Oh, now that's already confusing. So I'm going to use E for oldest. I'll say eldest, okay? E for eldest is twice as old as the youngest. Does that make any sense? Or I could say let E, or here's what I can say. I can say let Y be the age of the youngest. And if Y is the age of the youngest, then 2Y is the age of the oldest. Does that make sense so far? So I don't have to use the letter E, I can just use the letter Y. I can say let Y be the age of the youngest, and then since it says the oldest is twice the age of the youngest, I know that the oldest would be 2Y. And then the middle child is 5 years older. Here, let's do the middle child right down here. So I don't want to confuse people with this piece right here, because I'm not going to probably use the letter E. I'll just use the letter Y. The middle child is 5 years older than the youngest. So the middle child is 5 years older. 5 plus the youngest. Okay, so how can I label these? I'll say this is youngest. This is oldest, and this is middle. Made a little chart, okay? They're all kind of in terms of Y, which is, I said, let Y be the age of the youngest. So now what? We got all our stuff here. Now it says the sum of their ages is 57. The sum of their ages is 57. So that means I can go, so the youngest one is just kind of Y, so just go Y. Sum means add them up. The oldest is 2Y, and the middle one is 5 plus Y. See what I did? I just added them up. You got it now? Okay. And that would equal 57, and then you just finish it out with use your algebra skills if you have, whatever algebra skills you have. You can combine all the Y's, right? Y plus 2Y, that's 3Y, plus another Y, that's 4Y. Plus 5 equals 57, and then you can minus 5 on both sides, and 57 minus 5 would probably be 52, and then I guess 4 goes into 52. Y equals whatever 52 divided by 4 is. 52 divided by 4 is 13. So the youngest one must be 13. And then do we have to finish it by saying everything? Yeah, how old is each child? So the youngest is 13, and then the oldest, how old's the oldest then, if the youngest is 13? Yeah, it's 2 times 13, so 26 years. And then the middle, do we know how to get the middle? We said the middle was 5 plus Y. So 13 plus 5? 18. There, so that's how that one was tricky.